Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we have something special. Today we're looking at the new CarLinkit 2.0 wireless CarPlay dongle. So this is the next generation of wireless CarPlay dongles. I've not actually installed it yet. I'm going to do this for the very first time on this video, and we'll see how we get on. Really, what's the speed of it like, what we can do, what we can't do. The lag between the steering wheel controls, does the steering wheel controls even work, and just generally compare it to CarPlay to Air dongle and see if it is a better investment basically. So let's dive in. So in the box we have, I'm not quite sure what this is, we have a user manual in Chinese, and on the other side we have it all in English. So we'll probably be looking at that for our first install. Here's the CarLink dongle itself. It's a lot smaller, which means you could probably stow it away a little bit nicer. It's a bit of a rough edge on one side. You've got a USB-A input here, which is likely to allow you to charge your phone still if you're using only one USB input in the car. And the other side you've got a USB-C port, which you will be connecting this to your existing port in your car, and you have a very small USB-C cable. I guess that's about 20 centimeters or so, yeah, short throw cable, because you're only going to have it in a small little glove box hopefully, and USB-C, and that's hopefully going to allow us to have a faster experience on this dongle hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's get this plugged in and see how we do on our system. So first we need to remove the existing. So you would either have, if this is your first time with a dongle, this is our CarPlay to Air dongle, just to compare the two together. In height it's very similar, it's a little bit fatter. In thickness it's probably just a little bit thinner, and again the cable is separate and not actually fused to the box itself. So let's get rid of this one. In my VW you've got a USB port where I'd normally use Lightning. So first we need to connect the actual USB end into the USB socket. I'll do that now and see if this can actually boot up. If not, we have a problem. So we have a same interface, very similar to the CarPlay to Air dongle interface, telling us to use the Bluetooth. So we're gonna first connect this. So I haven't actually connected it before, so let's do that now. So let's go into the Bluetooth settings, and we've got the main MCF72, so we'll connect it to that. And now that we're in, it's connected to my phone. Do I want to use it for CarPlay? Yes, I do. And it's connected and we're in. And to me, on first reactions, that is a lot quicker. So let's try our steering wheel controls. Let's just play a track. So that's playing in the background. Let's just change track. And yes, it's a lot more rapid thanks to the USB-C, most likely. So that's very encouraging. But having to be able to swap between tracks, if I just show you it here, as I'm left, 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 it's very rapid. I'm impressed. Obviously the battery indicator there, as you would get with wireless CarPlay, and that's pretty much it, I think. I mean, as you can see on the dongle, there isn't an actual light here from what I can tell. I think that would normally stay on or green. It's very difficult to see. Oh, it is green. Yeah, it's a very dim green indicator. But if I put this in the cubby hole here and close it, it's all going to be very rapid swapping between tracks. Let's try. Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and 16 degrees in Brighton. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 16 degrees to 12 tonight.
So that's working alright. Now let's try a cold start. So I'm going to turn off the engine. I'll put it in park. I'm going to disconnect the keys. So ignition on now. And that should play straight away. Yeah, so not much. I think it was about in the 30s for the CarPlay to Air dongle, so not a significantly faster improvement, but everything is a lot more stable from what I can tell. It is a little bit nippier, and the signal might be an improvement as well. So let's try another cold start. Keys out. I'll also time this at the same time as soon as I start my ignition, and you should see my phone timer to see exactly where we are. So I'm going to start this when I start the ignition. "18 seconds into the first menu. Now it's doing its pair over Wi-Fi. We'll stop it when it gets into the main menu. So about 38 seconds. And I'll do it one more time. Let's do a 39.70 there. So let's reset that. Turn it off. I'll do an actual start with the engine turning over just to see if the battery power speeds things up, but I don't think it will. But it should give you a variety of where we are here. So about 18 again, into the main menu. That's going to vary depending on the car that you plug this into. But this bit is probably down to the dongle. And we're coming up to it now. Yeah, about 38, 39 seconds to get in on an Alpine X902D-G7. This is an older model now, this is quite a few years old, so I think more newer head units might be a little bit nippier on the early part of pairing with the dongle, but from the dongle to the phone, that should be pretty much the same between devices, hopefully. So again, it's great. It works. You can see it works on an aftermarket unit. Hopefully it should be more supported on other car systems, but you'll have to check the website for that. hope you enjoy this short video. Look over at the CarLinkit 2.0 wireless CarPlay dongle, and look out for our full review on CarPlayLife.com. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.